Okay, so my Freezebees glasses came in, and first off, packaging is super cute, and comes with its own little sleeve case, and then also comes with a lens cloth, which I can greatly appreciate that. And these are absolutely stunning. Have the little logo on the top, and then it says Freezebees on the side. But these are like super super thick, but like in a good way. Like these things are not like snapping. I don't see them bending, breaking, nothing. Nose piece, so you can adjust it to fit your nose, which I really like. And then it's kind of hard to see, but it has that style. I don't even know what it is called. It starts with a T. That's all I know. Like tortoise. I think it's called like a tortoise on the very outer corner. But these are so cute. These are so cute. I absolutely love these. And the packaging and the sleeve that it comes with, it has like a suede interior. So it's safe for your glasses, cute to just throw in your purse. But yeah, I absolutely love these.